Brilliant Info Systems delivers RFID Asset Tracking Solutions that give enterprises real-time visibility, control, and accountability over valuable assets. Many organizations struggle with misplaced tools, manual registers, poor utilization, and time-consuming audits. Without real-time visibility, asset movement becomes difficult to control and operational losses increase. Brilliant provides an end-to-end system with RFID tags, readers, tracking software, dashboards, and integration support. Each asset receives a unique RFID tag and is mapped with important details such as location, department, custodian, and maintenance status. As assets move across stores, production areas, warehouses, or campuses, fixed RFID readers automatically capture movement and update the live dashboard in real time. During audits, teams use handheld RFID devices to verify assets, confirm custody, and quickly locate missing items without scanning one by one. With Brilliant RFID Asset Tracking, organizations reduce asset loss, improve utilization, speed up audits, and strengthen compliance. Better control over assets leads to faster decisions and faster return on investment. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.